Hello, this short video will discuss how to go about making your submission of your predictions for the 2023 MinneMUDAC Data Analytics Competition. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. First, there are two files included in the folder. One for the graduate and undergraduate division. That is the 2023 MLB schedule file. This includes all of the games scheduled by Major League Baseball for the 2023 season. We also have a second file, which is for the novice division. Now, the difference between these two is that the novice division has only been asked to make submissions for Minnesota Twins home games. So this file has only 81 rows in it, not over 2,000 like the other. Now, you should have received an email regarding making your submissions. In addition to the other information in the email, there's a team ID provided. N for novice, and I'm team 25. That team ID, that's your MinneMUDAC team ID. We're going to use that on Saturday when we do our judging, and that's also needed when we make our predictions. So I'm in a novice file here. So column G should have in it N25 all the way down. That is your MinneMUDAC team ID. If you're team undergraduate 6, so U06, then that's what you would put here in column G. Again, your MinneMUDAC team ID is what was provided in the email that was sent to you. There is also a link for which you are to use when making or uploading your predictions. So if I click on that, that takes me to this simple web page here, which is used to upload your predictions. All you need to do is to choose your file. I just have an example set here. And then I simply say submit my predictions. Now you need to use the link that was provided in that email. That has a passkey that is specific to you. So that the only way to make your submissions is using this link. Now, once the submission has been made, and if it's successful, you'll get a submission receipt. Okay? You should keep a copy of this. I might ask for a copy of this. So if there's issues regarding your submission, I might ask for a copy of your receipt. The other thing I'll say here is that you can confirm the file that was submitted. So if you want to view that file, you can do that. Just to make sure that this was the file that was submitted. Okay, so that can be done here with the view. So if you want to confirm that the correct prediction file has been uploaded, you can do that here. Now, let's suppose that 2 hours later, I made some changes and I want to upload again. Okay, you can just go back and click on that link and it'll overwrite the copy that's in or on the server. So the only version that's on the server is your most recent version that was submitted. Okay, that does it then for for submitting your predictions for this year's competition. Thank you very much and have a good day.